Hey, it's Thomas from MCS Products. You guys have a patio that's just too hot to enjoy during the summer months? We've got your solution here. I'm here at our workshop and I just wanted to show you a quick overview of our misting kits that we offer. We've got these awesome pumps that'll generate 1,000 psi, guaranteed to drop your temperature about 15 to 20 degrees and won't get you all wet. I'm standing in front of one right now in action. This is one of our misting fan kits. So you can see right here, this is our ice cube pump, and we've got one of our 18-inch misting fans. The fans have got a 5-nozzle cluster that are supplying the mist. The fans oscillate and they're outdoor rated. This is kind of what the pump itself looks like right here. This is our ice cube pump. I'm going to take you inside our shop and show you what comes in the kits. You know, for me, it's pretty much a no-brainer. With these hot Texas temperatures we've been experiencing anywhere in the country, really, it's been hard to deal with this year. But we've got these awesome kits. Daniel's finishing up a kit right now. We make everything ourselves here at our shop in Austin, Texas. Pumps are super easy to install. The kits come with everything that you need. So we've got two options. We've got our ice cube pump that comes with the filter, comes with your feed lines, all your parts, pieces, fasteners, fittings, everything that you need to create it. So you can either get a mist line kit, which is going to come with a roll of tubing and your nozzles, or you can get fan-based kits. Now we've got these in up to a 40-foot mist line kit, or you can add 1, 2, up to 4 fans off of the ice cube unit itself. Guaranteed to drop your temperature 20 degrees. And one thing I will say, with one of these systems, you're going to spend more time on your patio, and you're going to enjoy the time that you spend on your patio so much more. Take a look at our website. Just go to MCS-Products for more information, and feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. We have people on staff manning our phones 8 to 5 Monday through Friday.